The first and most important step of using the floor jack for your Kia Forte is to find the tow hook underneath the front bumper. The tow hook is connected to the crossbody member, and that is what you're ultimately going to use to jack up. So there's the tow hook, and there's the crossbody member right there. Step 2 is to roll your floor jack under the front bumper and line it up so that the raising platform will press on that crossbar where the tow hook is located. To reiterate, you are not pressing on the tow hook. You want to press on that crossbody bar. Once you have the floor jack lined up, begin to raise the floor jack, thus raising the car. Oftentimes floor jacks, you twist the handle to the right and then begin to pump. That's how this model operates, as do most. Once the car is in the air, you now need to place the jack stands on both the driver and passenger side so that when you lower the car will be safely resting on them. I've shown here the driver's side. I used this front seam as my kind of reference point, but you can see the passenger side in the far side of the video. And then when you're ready and they're lined up correctly, lower the vehicle onto the jack stand safely. The car is now safely on jack stands, so feel free to perform any maintenance. If you have any questions, leave them below.